Hello friends, now we will learn how to design this game which is known as the Catch Banana game. In this game, I have taken the default sprite from scratch. First, let's try to make this sprite jump. Jumping is very simple. We will move the sprite 150 steps up, that is, change the y value by 150. And move 150 steps down, that is, change the y value by minus 150. But as explained in my last video, the computer moves these sprites very fast. So instead of changing y by 150 to move up, let's change y by 15 steps and repeat that for 10 times. Let's take change y by block from motion category and change the value to 15 and keep this inside the repeat block from control category. Similarly, to move down, take again change y by block from motion category and change the value to minus 15 and keep this inside the repeat block from control category. To run this code, let's use when clicked block at the start. Okay, this looks good. Let's make this more funny. While jumping up, let's make this sprite turn complete 360 degrees. Again, we will divide this 360 degrees to 10 steps, that is, turn 36 degrees at a time and repeat it 10 times. For this, let's pick 10 degrees block from motion category and put inside the first repeat block. It looks better now. In a game, computer always waits for the user input. So after we start this code, our code should always looks for user input. To do this, we will pick forever if block from control category. This block will be always running and execute the code present inside when the if condition satisfied. Now we will take key pressed block from sensing category to take space button as user input and put inside this if condition. Now when we start running this code, the code will always look for the user input, that is, the space button from keyboard. Now it jumps when I press space button. Now let's add a sound when it jumps from play sound block from sound category. We are done with the jumping part. Now let's add another sprite. We will pick banana sprite. This looks big compared to cat sprite. Let's change its size to 70% using set size to block from looks category. At the beginning, let's put this sprite in a location somewhere at x equal to 400 and y equal to 40 using go to xy block from motion category. Now we will move this banana towards left so that the cat sprite can jump and catch. Let's say we will move the banana left till x equal to minus 400. We can do this using glide block from motion category. Let's move this banana to x equal to minus 400 and y equal to 40 in 2 seconds. Now let's make this always running with the help of forever block from control category. This looks good now. But how to revert the cat sprite when it catches a banana sprite? To do that, let's create a variable from variables category. Let that variable be score. Rewarding is a separate code since the first one is for moving the sprite. When the game starts, the score will set to 0 using set block. Now whenever the banana sprite touches cat sprite, let the score change by 10. We will do this with the help of if condition block from control category and touching block from sensing category. And inside the if statement by block from variable category. After the cat sprite touches the banana sprite, it has to disappear and appear in the next round when it will start from the right. So we will add the hide block here from the looks category and add show block here. The if condition also has to run all the time. So we will put this inside a forever block from the control category. Awesome! This is perfect. Now let's change the background. I have two backgrounds here. Second one is slightly moved with respect to the first one. Let's continuously switch between these two backgrounds with a gap of 0.2 seconds with the help of forever block and next background block. Now this gives a feel of running, but the cat sprite is standing there only. Let's make this sprite also run. We can do that using a separate code for this sprite, because the first sprite only looks for user input. This second code will run all the time even though there is no input from the user. So here we will use forever block and inside this we will place next costume block from looks and wait block from control. We are almost done. Now we can use mouse click on computer or touch on smartphone instead of using the space key from the keyboard. This is very simple. We just need to swap the key press block with mouse down block from sensing category. Now we are done. Just to revise, we have 5 codes running in parallelly in game. First one makes the cat sprite jumps whenever user provides input. Second one, the banana moves continuously from right to left. Third one, whenever the banana sprite touches the cat sprite, the score increases. Fourth one, the background changes continuously. And the last one continuously changes the costume of cat sprite to a feel of running. Congratulations! You just learned how to design this wonderful game. You can play this game in computer and phone using the link provided in the description. Please like and share if you find this video interesting, and also subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.